Looking to upgrade your kitchen without spending a fortune? I've found 5 awesome gadgets under $50 that are practical, smart, and will totally improve your cooking routine. Whether you're a casual cook or love getting creative in the kitchen, there's something here for you. Number 1. Bonson Kitchen Hand Blender. This compact immersion blender punches way above its price point. With a powerful motor and stainless steel blades, it blends soups, smoothies, sauces, or baby food in seconds. It features 2 speed settings, making it great for everything from silky purees to chunkier mixes. And it's super easy to clean and store. If you don't have a full-size blender or just need something quicker, this is a total game changer. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker. No more guessing or overcooked yolks. This egg cooker nails it every time. It cooks up to 7 eggs just the way you like them, soft, medium, or hard-boiled. It even has an automatic shutoff, so you can walk away and not worry. Whether you're meal prepping or just want a fast breakfast, this little device saves time and hassle. Plus, it's BPA-free and includes a measuring cup for perfect results every time. Number 3. Chicken Shredder Tool by Surativian. Shredding chicken or pork with forks. Not anymore. This gadget makes it ridiculously easy. Just place the meat inside and twist. The non-slip base keeps it stable, and the visible lid lets you monitor as you go. Great for BBQs, tacos, pulled pork sandwiches, whatever you're craving. It also comes with a cleaning brush and fork for convenience, and the design makes cleanup easy. One of those tools you didn't know you needed until you try it. Number 4. Idacom 2-in-1 Microwave Mat and Splatter Cover. This thing is genius. It's a multi-use silicone mat that acts as a microwave cover to stop splatter, or you can use it as a bowl holder to protect your hands from heat. Plus, it works as a trivet, drying mat, baking pad, or utensil rest. Super flexible, heat-resistant, and dishwasher safe. It saves space, replaces multiple tools, and adds convenience to your everyday kitchen routine. Number 5. Tilux Stainless Steel Measuring Cups and Spoon Set. Forget cheap plastic. This 10-piece stainless steel set is built to last. It includes all the standard measurements, and they're engraved, so they'll never rub off. Great for precise cooking or baking, and they look and feel premium in your hands. The nesting design makes storage easy, and the included ring keeps everything organized. A basic tool, yes, but a really good one. These are budget-friendly gadgets that make real improvements to your time in the kitchen. All the product links are in the video description. Check for today's deals.